15 years ago, making money as a 13-year-old was difficult. You either delivered newspapers, mowed lawns, or hoped a neighbor would pay you to walk their dog. But today, a teenager with a phone, internet connection, and consistency can earn more money than some adults working part-time jobs. The problem is that most kids don't know where to start. They scroll through videos of teenagers claiming they made thousands overnight, bought expensive gaming setups, or became rich from one lucky idea. But real money rarely works like that. Most successful teenagers start small, learn one useful skill, and slowly build momentum over time. So in this video, I'm going to show you real and genuine ways a 13-year-old can actually make money today without scams, fake gurus, or unrealistic promises. The first thing you need to understand is this. At 13 years old, your biggest advantage is not money, it's time. Most adults already have bills, jobs, responsibilities, and stress. But if you start learning how money works at 13, you have something incredibly powerful, a head start. Even earning your first $100 teaches lessons most people don't learn until they're 25. One of the easiest and most realistic ways for a 13-year-old to make money is through simple local services. It sounds boring compared to flashy online businesses, but this is exactly how many successful entrepreneurs started. Think about it. Adults are busy. Many people would gladly pay someone reliable to wash cars, mow lawns, clean garages, walk dogs, water plants, or help carry groceries. A teenager in Texas reportedly made over $4,000 during one summer just washing cars in his neighborhood, not because he was special, but because he stayed consistent while other kids stayed home, playing video games. Most people underestimate how powerful reliability is. If you show up on time, speak politely, and do a good job, adults remember you. Another powerful way teenagers are making money today is through content creation. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, not another YouTuber idea, listen carefully. You do not need millions of subscribers to make money online anymore. Some teenagers earn money editing short videos for small creators, making gaming clips, posting sports content, reviewing products, or even sharing study tips. One 14-year-old started uploading simple motivational edits using free apps on his phone. His videos barely got views at first, but after posting consistently for 6 months, one video exploded. Soon small creators started paying him to edit videos for them. What began as a hobby slowly turned into income. The important lesson here is that the internet rewards consistency more than talent in the beginning. If you enjoy gaming, there are real opportunities there too, but probably not the way you think. Becoming a famous streamer is difficult because millions of people are trying, but smaller opportunities are more realistic. Some teenagers make money creating Minecraft worlds, selling Fortnite coaching sessions to beginners, editing gaming montages, or running small Discord communities. The key is not just playing games endlessly, it's turning gaming into something useful for other people. Another underrated option is learning a digital skill early. Right now, businesses everywhere need simple things done online: thumbnail design, video editing, logo creation, social media posts, basic photo editing, caption writing. Many of these skills can be learned for free on YouTube within a few months. And once you become decent at one skill, people will pay you for it. Imagine being 16 years old with 3 years of editing experience already built up. That's how some teenagers start making adult-level income before they even graduate high school. One teenager in Florida started by making free thumbnails for small YouTubers. His first designs honestly looked terrible, but every week he improved slightly. After a few months, creators started paying him $10 per thumbnail, then $25, then $50. By the time he turned 17, he had built a full online business from a skill he learned in his bedroom after school. Most people never realize how valuable early experience becomes later. Selling things online is another genuine option. Some teenagers buy cheap items at garage sales or thrift stores and resell them online for profit. Others sell handmade bracelets, custom stickers, digital art, or phone wallpapers. One girl started making aesthetic study notes for students and sold downloadable versions online for a few dollars each. Individually, the sales were tiny, but over time, hundreds of small sales added up. The internet allows small ideas to scale in ways that weren't possible years ago. Now, it's important to talk about something most money videos ignore: patience. Your first attempts will probably fail. Your first videos may get no views. Your first business idea may earn almost nothing. Your first designs might look bad. That's normal. Every successful person starts as a beginner. The difference is that most people quit too early because they expect instant results. There's also something powerful about earning money young that has nothing to do with the money itself. Confidence changes. When you earn your own money for the first time, even if it's just $20, you stop seeing yourself as just a kid. You realize you can create value. You realize skills matter more than age. And once that mindset changes, your entire future starts looking different. But let's be honest for a second. There are also a lot of scams targeting teenagers online. Be careful with videos promising easy money or be rich fast systems. If someone says you'll make thousands overnight with no effort, they're usually making money from your attention, not helping you. Real money takes time, learning, and consistency. There is no shortcut around that. One of the smartest things a 13-year-old can do is combine multiple small income streams. Maybe you mow lawns on weekends, edit videos after school, and post content online consistently. Alone, each thing may seem small. Together, they build skills, discipline, and experience that most teenagers never develop. And here's the crazy part. The younger you start, the easier life often becomes later. A 13-year-old learning video editing today could freelance at 15, build a business at 17, and have years of experience before most people even start thinking about careers. Time compounds skills the same way money compounds investments. At the end of the day, making money at 13 is not really about becoming rich immediately. It's about learning responsibility, communication, discipline, and creativity earlier than everyone else. Those lessons become incredibly valuable later in life. Some teenagers waste years scrolling endlessly online. Others use the internet to build skills that completely change their future. So if you're 13 watching this, don't worry about becoming a millionaire tomorrow. Focus on learning one useful skill. Start small. Stay patient. Be consistent. Because the teenagers who quietly build skills now are often the adults everyone envies later. And who knows, your first small side hustle today could become the thing that changes your entire future.